Welcome. This is how to remove from favorites on iPhone. So, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and go to your phone app application. So, you could just simply go ahead and search it up. And now, once you open it up, as you can see down below, you should have multiple options like favorites, recents, the contacts, and from here, you should have the keypad and the voicemail category. So just simply go for the favorites tab. And from here, guys, you should be able to see all of the contacts that you have added to your favorites. Now, to remove, you can just simply swipe to the left by selecting the contact, and you should be able to see the delete icon. So from here, just simply tap on delete, and from here, you should be able to remove it. So from here, you should remove everyone, or you could just simply add someone by tapping on the top right, which is the plus icon, and you can add that friend again. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.